Hello friends, again welcome to 1000 MCQ series of GPAT Day 3. So let's start with the MCQs. First question, essentially hospital formulary system provide the mechanism to. The correct answer is option C, avoid brand and therapeutic duplication. Volume of blood that flows per unit time per unit volume of the tissue is. The correct answer is option D, perfusion rate. Leaching by immersion of crude material in a solvent is also known as. The correct answer is option A, maceration. The protein toxins that have been modified to reduce the toxicity without significantly altering the immunogenicity are known as. The correct answer is option C, toxoids. Which of the following is not a mechanism of achieving the gastro-retention? The correct answer is option A, osmosis. The phase contrast microscopy is valuable in the studying the living cells which are. The correct answer is option B, unstained. Regaloarins AF have been isolated from. The correct answer is option D, Kurchi. Pungency of gingiva officinale rhizomes is due to the presence of. The correct answer is option B, gingerol. The principal cultivation area of pyrethrum flowers are in. The correct answer is option D, Kenya. In Cassia angustifolia short-term drought, the correct answer is option A, increase the concentration of sinusides A and B. The glycoside scleroside in a red squill act as. The correct answer is option B, rodenticides. Shellac is a resinous substance prepared from a secretion that encrusts the bodies of a scale insect. The correct answer is option B, Carialaca. All members of these orders are trees or shrubs, mostly evergreen with needle-like leaves, monoecious or dioecious sporophylous, usually in cones. Resin ducts occur in all parts. The correct answer is option D, Conifera. In Gambier fluorescence test, the petroleum spirit layer shows a strong. The correct answer is option A, green fluorescence. Antiviral action of neem is due to. The correct answer is option C, nimbin. The size of lycopodium spores is. The correct answer is option D, 25 micrometer. Characteristics microscopic features observed in Alzheimer's disease is. The correct answer is option D, presence of nucleic plaques containing AB amyloid. Cardiac output is. The correct answer is option C, volume of the blood ejected by the left ventricle per minute. What are sutures? The correct answer is option D, fibrous joint of the skull. Which of the following cells are called scavenger cells? The correct answer is option C, macrophages. Thank you for watching our video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. We will meet in next day. Thank you.